What if you could monitor the health of your entire site from anywhere in the world at the click of a button? What if you could detect faults early, avoid unplanned outages, and achieve operational excellence? All of this is delivered in Atlas by Monitra. Atlas is a transformational cloud-based data management platform allowing asset owners and maintenance teams to optimize the performance and reliability of their electrical assets. At Monitra, we provide industry-leading solutions. The bedrock of our technology is rooted in machine learning. Our software is the result of our ongoing commitment to product development. Our portfolio of condition monitoring hardware provides real-time data flow, enabling correct diagnosis and timely intervention. Testing and monitoring can provide early warnings of failure and extend asset life by locating defects to support repairs. Atlas holds all your condition monitoring information, giving a comprehensive health ranking of your assets, allowing prioritization of maintenance activities to the parts that require most attention. The system integrates both current and historical test results presented through clear and concise data visualization. The data collected from testing and monitoring is processed using the latest event recognition techniques and selectively interrogated by our team of experts. Atlas provides classification of asset condition, improving system accuracy and reliability. Find out more about Atlas by Monitra today.